Hello. Today we're going to talk about how water can change its state. You see, water is like a shapeshifter. Water can appear in different forms. Water can either be a solid, liquid, or a gas. When water is very cold, the water freezes and becomes solid ice. That's an ice cube of water in the solid form. When it warms up a little bit, the ice melts into liquid water, the kind we drink and play in. And when the liquid water gets really hot, that water turns into a gas called water vapor or steam. You can see steam rising from a boiling kettle. So how does water change from one form to another? Well, it's all about energy, specifically heat or thermal energy. When we add heat to ice, the ice starts to melt. The heat energy makes the water molecules jiggle and move around faster until they can slide past each other and become liquid water. If we add even more heat to liquid water, the water starts to evaporate. The water molecules jiggle even faster, and some of them gain enough energy to escape into the air as water vapor. Now, if we take heat away from liquid water, the water starts to freeze. The water molecules slow down and start to arrange themselves in a solid structure called ice. And if water vapor loses heat, the water vapor condenses and turns back into liquid water. That's how clouds form. Why does water do this? It's because of the tiny molecules that water is made of are always moving, but how much they move depends on how much energy they have. When they have very little energy, the water particles stick together tightly, and we call that ice, which is in the solid form. When the particles have a bit more energy, those particles can slide around each other, and we call that liquid water. And when those particles have lots of energy, they can fly off into the air, and we call that water vapor. Water is constantly changing states and moving around the earth. It can evaporate from the ocean, form clouds, fall as rain, flow into rivers, and freeze into ice. It's an amazing journey, and it's all driven by energy. Thank you for watching.